Now, today I prepared a very interesting solution. Bubble solution with secret ingredients.
What
Okay?
is that?
It contains sugar, water, dish soap, and a secret ingredient.
And a fruit,
Glycerin.
fruit coloring.
Yes, and food coloring. Glycerin. Why is glycerin? Because
What?
it makes bubbles to be stronger. Okay? Yeah, now let's try this one.
What?
First we do like this.
What? What? We can try. Oh,
How cool is that?
very good. We can
Bubble inside bubble.
It's like
Yeah, let's try something else. Let's try, you gotta try. Okay? Now you are wearing wool gloves. Why is that? Yes, because bubbles will not pop up.
Oh my gosh!
Here is.
Me! Back! Me! We can try.
Yeah.
For me! Oh. 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 Oh.
How cool is that?
Oh my god! This is so
Now one more time.
rainbow for me! Let's do it! Oh, it's blue one! Gloves! Me! Hey, go! Give me! Hey! What is Give me!
How cool is this?
Very good!
Yeah, say bye.